Hi everyone. In this video, in less than 5 minutes, you are going to learn how to connect your Google Drive and Google Sheet to n8n, including how to create the Google credentials. I have seen how people can get lost. I got lost also in the process. That's why I have decided to create this tutorial. Here we have a simple workflow that we are reading the data from a Google Sheet that I have in my Google Drive. Let's review the data. It's just some countries' information, how much population do they have, and the language. Let me execute the workflow. And as you can see, we could fetch the data. So let me create a new Google Sheet node. And the action that I would like to connect is get the rows. So as you can see, it already recognized my previous Google Sheet account, but let's create a new credential. For this, first we have to go to the console Cloud Google, which I assume that you do the first registration yourself. And first you have to create a project. Let's go here. Project name, organization, parent resource. Let's leave everything as default. Okay, it takes a little bit to create the project. And as we see this notification, we can go here and select our project. What we have to do here is first going to the panel of the project. API and services, we can go to the OAuth consent screen first. Get it started. App name we can leave as test demo. The user support email, let's leave our Gmail. The audience type I will leave as external. Contact information, I will leave my Gmail as well. And this is the last step here. And here we have to create the clients as well, which is the client ID and the client secrets. Application type web application. Let's leave the name as it is. And here there is one parameter which is important. Authorized redirect URL. The URL we can copy from here and go back here and let's add create. Here we have a client ID that we have to paste here and a client secret. There we go. You can download the credentials also as JSON. Okay. So now we have the client ID. Let's go to the audience. And we have to add our email as the test user of datascience@gmail.com. That's it. We have two steps to do. One is enabling the Google Drive API. Okay, there we go. This is enabling us to interact with our Google Drive. We have to do the same for Google Sheet as well. So as this one is finishing, we can search Google Sheet and let's enable this one as well. And let's wait for it and that's it. So let's return back here. We have to click sign in with Google. Okay, we say that continues and then we consent for all of these actions. Connection successful. And there we go. Here, then you can leave the rest of the parameters as it is. Here you have to select the document. I select the test data document and the sheet name. Let's leave it as it is. Or here you can execute the steps directly, or you can run the whole workflow. That's fine as well. It takes a little bit time. Let's wait a bit. There you go. As you can see, we have got all the information that we have. from the Google Sheet.